Hey everyone, this is Faiz and welcome back to my new video. In this video, I wanted to give you 10 brilliant fashion hacks that I live by. Now guys, these are hacks that I've added up over the years, and some of the hacks are new, meaning I'm always learning, I'm always adding hacks to make my fashion life better. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with hack number one. So the hack number one is using an elastic band to close your pants, jeans, etc., or whatever you're wearing. So I have used this hack over the years on and off, mainly because my size has fluctuated from 26 to 24 or 24 to 26, and it has always been changing. Right now it's currently 26, but when I was pregnant, I started gaining weight and I started using this. Let's say I am going out for dinner, I end up having this really nice, amazing comfort food. So when that happens, your stomach is bound to bloat, and that's when you use this. So guys, the hack is very simple and straightforward. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your pants unzipped. Now you're gonna thread one end of the rubber band through the other end, securing the buttonhole. Now use the rubber band as your new buttonhole. And that's it for hack number one, and let's go ahead and move on to hack number two. So hack number two would be using a belt all the time. So this is something that I have been doing it for the last some years now, and I made this as my must-have accessory. So if I'm leaving outside today, if I'm not wearing a belt, I feel like I'm incomplete. I don't know if you guys agree with me, but whenever you go outside, it doesn't matter if you're wearing pants, jeans, or whatever you're wearing, always secure a belt. It'll definitely make you look more, and it'll give your look a definition. And that goes for a lot of dresses, especially summer or like beach dresses. I always try to secure a belt around my waist, just so my everything from my waist down looks a little flowy. And guys, believe me, start wearing a belt and you'll notice in weeks that your looks look more chic and they make you stand out more. So guys, definitely give this a try. Guys, now let's move on to hack number three. So hack number three also has to do with a belt as well. That's when you wear a belt and this end part is like always sticking out like this. It's kind of annoying. That means that the strap at the end is way too long, or maybe your waist is too small, or whatever the case is. This has always happened to me, and I just discovered this hack like not a couple of months ago, and I feel like this has been a lifesaver for me. So guys, for this hack you need a rubber band or an elastic band as well. Whoops. Okay, so let's try this again. So for this hack, you need a belt, of course, and then you need a rubber band. Try to find a rubber band that matches the color of your belt, of course. So guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the rubber band and you're gonna secure it in the belt, and you're gonna bring it all the way down, and you don't know where it closes, so you're just gonna leave it out here for now. So once I'm putting on the belt, so what you're doing is you're taking the elastic band and you're gonna position it where you want the end of the belt to loop into. And ta-da! There you have it, guys. I hope this one helps, because this has to be one of my favorite hacks out here. It has helped me so much, and I'll never have my belt sticking out like before. So guys, this is one of my best hacks out there. Now for every belt that I have in my closet, I always have the color of those elastic bands, and I just have them in the belt, so I don't have to look for an elastic band every time I'm putting the belt on. They're already there. So that's how I take care of my belts that are sticking out. Guys, let's move on to hack number four, which is using a fashion tape. Guys, you guys can get this off Amazon as well. So guys, this is called Hollywood Fashion Secrets, and they are double-sided tapes, and they work really well if you have a part of a top that you don't want to show, or if you are just trying to cover up something. These work really well. I have these tops whose necks actually go down to the navel area, and that's not something I've ever been comfortable with. So for those, I try to use these. So what I have to do is just take these off and adjust them. They work really fine. Just the other day I was wearing a jumpsuit. I'm just gonna show these to you guys, and again, it was a very pretty long, and all I had to do was just secure it with a fashion tape. So guys, these are lifesavers for a lot of reasons. I also do keep these in my purses a lot of times as well. So let's say you're going out and you broke a button, and now that area is a little exposed and it looks a little, I don't know, it doesn't look good. So all you have to do is take your fashion tape out and stick it on, and you're good to go from there. Moving on to hack number 5, guys. We're halfway there. So hack number 5 has to do with tying your shirt from the bottom without showing too much of your stomach. There's a whole new generation out there, which is like the younger generation, I guess, and they wear a lot of tops or crop tops, and they end up tying them from the top, which is, there's nothing wrong with that, guys, but that's not something that I would do. So guys, for this, it's pretty straightforward and easy. All you have to do is take a piece of that shirt, bring it through the belt hole. So make sure you bring a pant that has a belt hole. Now you're gonna take the other piece from the other end and tie it together. It's that easy. There's learning nothing else to it. You just have to use that belt hole here. Moving on to hack number 6. So for all those who wear hoodies and sweatpants all the time, then this hack is for you guys. So guys, if you guys have strings attached to sweatpants or hoodies and they're always sticking out or they're always getting lost within the hole, then again, this trick is for you guys, because I'm going to teach you a knot that's very easy to do, and this hack will make sure the strings stay at one place. So let's go ahead and get started. And guys, for this, the trick is very easy. Once you have a pen, you're gonna wrap the string around the pen about 5 to 6 times, and then you're gonna bring the string and through it, and that's literally all you have to do. Guys, this method works for me all the time. I want you guys to try it as well. I'm pretty sure it'll work for you guys as well. And guys, let's move on to hack number 7, which is for all those who like to layer their necklaces like I do. So guys, I am wearing 3 necklaces right now, and with this hack, it has become so much more easier. So guys, for this hack, I am using these things that are called multi-strands for necklaces, and what these do is they help you put all the necklaces in line at the back so they don't get tangled up at the back. So I'm actually wearing mine right now. I'm just gonna flip it around just so you guys can see it. I am using the one with 3 necklaces, and this is what it looks like. I literally have all of my necklaces connected with it, and this is very easy in a way that once I'm taking off necklaces, I don't actually have to find where the knot is at the back. I just have to find this, and I'll just end up untying it or unhooking it, if that makes sense. So guys, these multi-strands, they come in different pieces. They come in the color silver and gold, because majority of the necklaces are either gold or silver. They have ones with 2 hooks, they have one for 3 hooks, they have one for 4 hooks, and lastly they have them for 5 hooks. So it can actually layer up to 5 necklaces, and I'm pretty sure you won't be layering more than 5 necklaces. I've actually never done that myself. And with this, it's just so easy to find the hooks, and literally that's all there is to it. And guys, do check this out. This is also from Amazon as well. Again, I'm going to be linking this in the description box below. Now we're moving on to the next fashion hack, but this is a little more towards organizing and stopping from your bracelets or your necklaces from getting tangled. So what I recently started doing, and it has been working really well for me, is using these small Ziploc bags to separate all my necklaces. So guys, I don't know about you guys, but I have a lot of bracelets and a lot of necklaces, and what happens is that once I throw them in one place, or if I run out of space, they start piling up and they end up getting tangled. Ever since I started using these guys, they have been lifesavers for me. I just literally have these small drawers and literally place them in there, and they're really easy to find, and I don't have to worry about these getting tangled. So I feel like this is very convenient. It works for necklaces, it works for bracelets, it works for watches. Not that my watch gets tangled. It also works for any type of necklaces that you have, or chains, or whatever that you guys are carrying. This is something that I have faced numerous times in the past, and it takes me like not even 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes me up to half hour to 1 hour just to get them untangled. So by having these, I feel like I don't have to worry about these necklaces getting tangled. Moving on to hack number 9 would be ring adjusters. Have you guys ever had a ring that was really good, but you just didn't have the size for it, and you just didn't have time to get it adjusted, or it wasn't worth spending money to get it adjusted because it didn't cost that much? I actually have these things called ring adjusters. I actually found out about them before I was getting married. I had a typical South Asian wedding. I was wearing up to like 7-8 rings. There were a lot of them, and I had this ring. I wanted to show this to you guys. It was a really nice ring, but it was like large for one of my fingers. So I went to a mall and I showed it to them, and they gave me something called a ring adjuster. It looks something like this, and I just want to make sure I'm able to zoom in into this. It really looks like this, actually cut open on one of the ends, and you just have to open it and slide the ring in, and there you go. It'll actually adjust the size for you. So now when I try to wear it with a ring adjuster, it literally holds the ring in place. So you guys can see it from, I don't know if you guys can see it from the back. This is actually holding the ring in place. So if you guys have loose rings, then this must be it for you. So guys, this will be hack number 9 for adjusting rings. I just realized I just gave you so many hacks for just jewelry itself, because I realized that jewelry is one of the things I struggle with. So I hope these hacks help you guys. So guys, moving on to hack number 10 would be folding sleeves. If you guys are wearing a top like this, or generally any full sleeve top, it happens to me a lot when I'm wearing silk tops as well. I just have the hardest time folding these, and I just realized that the trick is very easy, and I mean it's pretty much common sense, but you're not thinking once you're trying to do it, right? So this doesn't actually come to you. So all I'm doing is just like folding it twice, as compared to just like trying to throw it back in and it keeps falling out. I've tried this hack and it just works really fine. All you have to do is just make sure you're folding it twice. I'm gonna go ahead and do this right in front of you guys. So make sure one of the buttons is loose. So this one comes with 2 of them, and I want to make sure this is loose because it won't help me fold the sleeve. So I'm gonna do one fold. So the one fold looks like this, and then I'm gonna do the second fold. And again, I don't want to fold it up here because I feel like I don't need it. I only need to fold this area just so the sleeves don't come to my hand, and that's literally it. There's nothing else to it. So guys, this is my hack number 10 for making sure how to fold sleeves. It's pretty common sense, but I feel like once you're trying to do it in a hurry, or if you're rushing it, you kind of forget the common sense or something that's like out there. So guys, I just wanted to point that out to you guys. And guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. You guys are amazing, and thank you again for watching the videos every single time. And because of you guys, I'm able to help my channel grow and just, you know, focus on what you guys really want to see. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to also subscribe to my channel. Guys, also check out my Instagram as well. Other than this, I always post on Instagram. So guys, if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. And guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.